So this is basically Java session 7. This is the continuous lecture of Java. And hello everyone. This is Anis Alam. This is Anis sir with you all. And you are watching my channel Anis Sir's Technology. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss the control statements in the Java. In the last, just for a 1 minute recap, in the last class, we have discussed the control statements in the Java. What are the control statement if else, and how we use the relational operators with the if, how we use the logical operators with the if, we have seen actually. Okay, and these are the questions we have discussed. Fine. Also, I told you about the difference between the sequential execution and control statement. Okay. So in this lecture, all the topics have been discussed. Only we have to discuss the questions. So this is a complete entire list of the questions. Okay. So first question, have we discussed or not? Can you please tell? This question we have discussed? Reply. Input two number and print which one is greater.
No, sir.
Input two number and print which one is greater. Are you sure? Write a program to input two number and print which one is greater. Okay. No, sir. Okay, okay, fine. No, sir. Second, no, sir. Okay. Okay. So should we discuss this first question? Should we discuss this first question? Huh? In this question, it is mentioned that input two number and print which one is greater. So I'm just copying this question and pasting in BlueJ. There's a BlueJ actually in which we are doing the programming. Control demo. Okay. I want to remove all these things. 1 second. Okay. See. I have just pasted the question which I am going to discuss. This is my question. In this question, it is clearly mentioned that you have to input the two number and print those number which is greater. No problem. So first of all, we have to create the class with the name, and the name of my class is control demo. Okay. Now we have to create a public static void main. You know that for input purpose, we have to use a scanner class. There's a scanner class, and the scanner class comes under java.util. It's a package actually, and in this package the scanner class is stored or created. So we have to input the two numbers. So for that purpose we required the two values A and B have taken. Enter first number. Okay, and A is equal to ob.nextInt. 1 second please. Okay, I'm just copying this two lines, pasting here, and second. And the second number will be stored in B. Okay. Now two numbers I have taken as an input. Now A may be greater or B may be greater. So we have to pass with a certain. Please. Don't create the disturbance, please. If A is greater than B, suppose A is greater than B, then we have to print system.out.print ग्रेटर नंबर प्लस, और जो नंबर ग्रेटर है हम उसको साथ में डिस्प्ले भी कर सकते हैं। ए, अगर ए ग्रेटर देन बी है, इफ ए इज ग्रेटर देन बी, देन वी हैव टू प्रिंट ए बिकॉज ए विल बी ग्रेटर। अदरवाइज एल्स पार्ट तब एग्जीक्यूट होता है जब हमारी कंडीशन फॉल्स हो। तो इन द एल्स सेक्शन we can display greater number plus b. Understand? Now this is the solution or the program of the first question. Now I just want to do a small dry run. 1 second please. See, suppose a and b are the two numbers and the user has given the value in a is 4 and the b is 2. Understand? Now I am checking the condition a is greater than b or not. So a is 4 and b is 2. So a is not greater, a is greater than b or a is not greater than b. I am just checking. So here a is greater than b because a is 4 and that is greater than 2. So according to the input, this is the input, the condition is true. So this statement will execute. If the condition is true and this statement is executing, then else part will not execute. Understand? I think someone is asking the question. Okay, very good question. Very good. So he has asked very good questions that if both the number are same, very good. Suppose I am taking the another example. This is 5 and b is also 5. Understand? Now a is greater than b? No. A is equal to b. A is not greater than b. So in this case, the condition will false and the control will transfer to the else section and b will be print and my b is 5. Now I want to clear one thing. If both are same number, so either you print the first number or second number, it doesn't matter because both are same. So my program is giving the preference to the second number if both the number are same. Understand? आप चाहते हैं कि आपका प्रोग्राम फर्स्ट नंबर को प्रिंट करे अगर दोनों सेम है तो उस केस में यू हैव टू डू अ लिटिल मॉडिफिकेशन, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू। ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? अगर ए बी से ग्रेटर हो या इक्वल हो, दोनों ही केस में ए प्रिंट होगा, लेकिन अगर ए बी से ग्रेटर या इक्वल नहीं है, then b will be print. Okay, 1 second. I am just taking one more example, then you will better understand. Suppose a is 5 and the b is 20. Okay, actually I am just testing my program with the different inputs. Now a is greater than equal to b? No. A is not greater than equal to b. A is less than b. So this condition will become false and control will transfer to the else section and b will print. What is the b? Okay, can you please confirm? Can you all please confirm? This is clear to all of you? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes or no reply is compulsory in the online class. Otherwise, how will I understand you have a problem or not? Okay, don't sit.
No, sir, no
silent.
problem.
Okay, yes. Don't sit silently, okay? Now, I just want to compile this program. Now you can see that there is no syntax error. Okay, I'm just closing this program and I want to execute. That was a compilation, now I am executing. Execute means this program will produce the result. Now this program is asking. So I have taken the 3 dry runs. Number 1 dry run is 4 and 2. 4, greater number is 4. Understand? Again closing and running wide main. Wide main से हमारा program run होता है. Second output is 5, 5. Greater number is 5. Understand? Now I want to do the dry run of the third scenario. 20. All right? Done. Okay, I want to clear all this drawing. See, now what is my second question actually? Next question. Okay, write a program to input 2 number, okay, and print which one is greater and how much greater. means we have to print the greater number. All right. Apart from that, I also want to print which one is greater and how much greater. Suppose A is 10 and B is 20. Second question I am discussing. So A is greater than B, agree. But how much A is greater than B? कितना greater है? 8 times greater? Understand or not? Understand or not? तो ये हमने कैसे कैलकुलेट करा? How this can be calculated? A is greater, okay. But how much greater के लिए हमको A में से B को subtract करना होगा, और subtract करने के बाद जो difference आएगा उतना ही greater होगा ये. This is clear to all of you? Now, suppose yes, A is 5 and B is 20. Now, which one is greater? Which one is greater? B is greater?
20.
तो B A से कितना greater है? इसके लिए हमको 20 minus 5 करना होगा, क्योंकि जो greater है उससे less को minus करेंगे and you will get the difference 15. तो B is greater and how much time greater? 15 times greater. हाँ? Now, अब हम इस प्रोग्राम को बनाएंगे. इस प्रोग्राम के लिए I want to clear all this drawing and just a moment. We have to do some small modification in this because my program is 90% is prepared. Now, A is greater than B. Okay. So, one more thing I want to discuss. When is a theoretical section. When we use curly braces and when curly braces is not required. Very important discussion. Okay. Suppose if, and then I have given a condition, if की body में अगर सिंगल स्टेटमेंट है तो हमें ब्रैकेट कर्ली ब्रेसेस यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. देयर इज नो नीड टू यूज द कर्ली ब्रेसेस इफ देयर इज अ सिंगल स्टेटमेंट. अंडरस्टैंड? बट इफ सपोज देयर आर मल्टीपल स्टेटमेंट are there, then it's compulsory you have to use the curly braces and enclose all the statement inside. Understand? अगर एक स्टेटमेंट है तो कर्ली ब्रेसेस की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. आप दे देते हैं तब भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट अगर आप नहीं भी देते हैं तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Here you have an option. Either you give the curly braces or not, doesn't matter. No problem, no issues. By default, single statement will be considered inside if. But if there are multiple statements, now you don't have the option. It's mandatory you have to give the curly braces. More than one statement. If more than one statement, 1 second, I'm writing. If more than one statement in the body of if, then it's compulsory to use the curly braces. All right. Okay. Now coming back to the program, this point is clear to all of you. Can you please confirm?
Yes.
Can you please confirm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask question. Now, see, I am using the curly braces because I am going to take a two statement. What is the use of two statement? I will tell you, no problem. इससे तो ये पता चल रहा है कि which one is greater, but how much greater? ओके, हाउ मच ग्रेटर, हमने यहां लिखा डिफरेंस प्लस, अब सपोज ए इज ग्रेटर देन बी, तो डिफरेंस के लिए हमें ए से बी को माइनस करने का है। अंडरस्टैंड? ये तो उस केस में था जब ए बी से ग्रेटर है। सपोज बी इज ग्रेटर देन ए, देन वी विल कम टू द एल्स पार्ट, एंड हियर I have to write down difference plus, anyone can tell bracket में हम क्या लिखेंगे? What we have to write inside the bracket? Can you please answer? B minus A, क्योंकि else पार्ट में हम तब आएंगे जब हमारा A B से ग्रेटर नहीं होगा, B A से ग्रेटर होगा। तो हमें डिफरेंस जानने के लिए B में से A को माइनस करना होगा। Okay, just I want to tell you one thing. Suppose this is A, suppose this is me, and this is you. My height is 6, your height is 4. Whose height is greater? Of course,
Sir,
my height
yours.
is greater. But my height is greater, okay. But how much greater than you? Simply, from my height, I will subtract your height, then we will get 2 feet. So 2 feet height is my greater than you. Okay. Suppose after some time, your height is greater. मान लो your height is 14. Now, if your height is greater, then from your height, my height will be subtract, like 14 minus 6, 8 feet. Okay? Understand? So it's very important कि किससे किसको माइनस करना है. Okay. Now, I want to do the dry run. I just want to clear all this. Okay. Suppose I have taken A is 10 and the B is 7. Okay, I'm just checking which one is greater. A is greater than B or not? Yes. A is 10 and B is 10. Very good. Yes. 10 is greater than 7. तो यहां पे क्या डिस्प्ले होगा? Greater number A, that is 10. Or here what will be print? A minus B. So A is 10, B is 7. So 10 minus 7, 3 will be print. Can you please confirm? Can you please confirm? Now,
Yes.
just a moment, please. A is 2 and B is 8. Can you please check A is greater than B in this case? In this case, A is greater than B? No. A is not greater than B. A is 2, B is 8. Condition is false. Then control will transfer to the else part. जब हमारी कंडीशन फॉल्स होती है तो हमारा कंट्रोल एल्स पार्ट में आता है, और अगर हमारी कंडीशन ट्रू है तो हमारा कंट्रोल इफ के अंदर के स्टेटमेंट, इफ के इनसाइड स्टेटमेंट को एग्जीक्यूट करता है. ओके, ऑलराइट, जस्ट अ मोमेंट प्लीज. Greater number B, then what is B? Then what is B? B is 8, 8 will be print, and B minus A, B is 8, 8 minus 2, 6 will be print. Okay, now final execution, compilation, closing, right click, void main. Okay, the answer is correct. Answer is coming absolutely correct, but coming in the same line. No problem. I just want to do one thing. Ln is used to break the line. Again compiling because we have done some changes. जब हम कुछ changes करते हैं तो हमको recompile करना पड़ता है. मैं सारी चीजें आपको practically explain कर रहा हूं. All right. Greater number is 10, difference is 8. Matlab 8 times is greater. All right. Just I am closing. And again I am executing 2 and 200. Which one is greater? 200. How much greater? 198. Can you please confirm? It is clear to all of you or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Immediately, because third question. Write a program to input a number and check whether it is even or odd. कौन से number even होते हैं, कौन से number odd होते हैं? Do you have any idea? Again, going to
2, 4, 6.
which one
So
is
the numbers which are multiple by 2 are even, else are odd.
if any number is divisible by 2 is even. If not, then odd. Okay? अब ये कैसे पता चले कि कोई नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं? What is the difference between this and this operator? Can you please confirm? Slash and this percentage sign. This percentage sign is called the modulus operator. What is the difference between these two? Do you have any idea? 1 second, I will explain. Suppose I am dividing 7 by 2. So 2 3s are 6. Whenever you divide, you get the two answers. This one and this one. What is this? And what is this?
So 3 is 4.
3 is quotient and 1 is remainder. Yes or no? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir.
So, slash gives the quotient part. Modulus gives the remainder part. Understand? Sometime in the programming, we need a quotient. Sometime in the programming, we need a modulus. We need a remainder. तो हम according to the need and demand operators को use करते हैं. And slash and modulus operator comes under mathematical operators. Okay, fine. So I'm just copying this question. And pasting in the control demo. New question. Comments. Okay. And I don't want this much I want to remove. But input is required, so I have not removed this part. तो हमने कहा कोई भी नंबर अगर 2 से डिवाइड होने पर रिमाइंडर 0 दे तो इसका मतलब है कि वो इवन है, और रिमाइंडर 0 तभी आएगा जब वो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल होगा. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Suppose हम 4 को 2 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. अगर ये इवन है तो 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा और रिमाइंडर 0 देगा. Yes, it is dividing and producing the 0 as a remainder. But let me check 5. 5 अगर इवन है तो 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा, नहीं है तो नहीं होगा. तो 2 2s are 4 and remainder is coming 1. That means it is not even, it is odd. 1 minute. I just want to tell you each and every question I'm in the detail explanation I'm doing. I'm giving the detail explanation. Okay, see. My condition is that if a modulus 2 मतलब a 2 से डिवाइड होने पर अगर रिमाइंडर 0 दे, so if a modulus 2 equal to 0, for comparison purpose we use double equal to, then definitely number is even. अंडरस्टैंड? एल्स अगर कोई नंबर इवन नहीं होता है तो 100% वो ऑड होता है. ओके, देयर इज नो थर्ड कैटेगरी इन दिस सिचुएशन. ओके, आई जस्ट वांट टू टेस्ट माय प्रोग्राम. बी इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, ओनली सिंगल वेरिएबल. जितने वेरिएबल्स की हमको रिक्वायरमेंट होती है हम उतने वेरिएबल डिफाइन करते हैं. आई डोंट नीड अननेसेसरी वेरिएबल्स. आई डोंट डिक्लेयर. ओके, सी, 1 minute. Look at the dry run part. I have taken A as a random checking purpose. Dry run A 7. So 7 modulus 2 is producing the 0 or not? 7 2 से divide होने पर remainder 0 देगा या नहीं देगा? Let me check. Let me check. One. It is producing 1, not producing 0. That means condition is false. Then control will transfer to the else section and odd will be print. Okay. Again, I am taking another new number 4. Let me check 4. 2 2s are, yes, it is producing 0. So this condition is true. This condition is true. So it will print even. Now I'm just compiling. Let me check any compile. No error. See, no error. Closing. And I am executing this program. Okay, I've given the 7. 7. 7 is the odd number. Okay. Okay, I want to run once more times. I've given a 14. 14 is even or odd? Even. So my program is working perfectly for checking even and odd number. Any idea? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Good. Very good. Now after that, what other category? Okay, this is an important question. यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा कुछ काम करना होगा. नंबर चेक करना है हमको whether it's neon or not. Check for a single digit. Actually, neon multiple digits के लिए भी होता है. That we will discuss when the looping will start. While loop and for loop. Okay. Now here I want to check for a single digit. So what are the neon number? Okay. Neon number क्या होते हैं? Neon number क्या होते हैं? इसको हम again theoretical section में आते हैं. Here, my theoretical section. What are neon number? Okay. 1 second. N is 9. 9 is neon. How? कैसे? हम 9 का स्क्वायर करेंगे. तो जब हम 9 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 9 का स्क्वायर कितना होगा? 81.
81.
इस स्क्वायर को जो हमने स्क्वायर किया है वो 2 डिजिट में है. इन दोनों डिजिट्स को हम एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे और दोनों डिजिट का सम अगर हमारे ओरिजिनल नंबर के बराबर आता है एंड माय ओरिजिनल नंबर इज 9, so that means it is neon. Let me check the another situation. N is 7. Square of 7?
63.
49. Square of 7 is?
49.
49. And I am extracting. अभी हम ये डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कि हमें क्या करना है. कैसे करना है, we will see in the programming. Okay? Let's leave it on me. So 4 plus 9. How much? How much?
13.
क्या ये 13 n के इक्विवेलेंट है? है या नहीं है? This 13 is not equivalent to 7, but here 9 is equivalent to 9. So this is neon, and this is not neon. Is it clear to all of you or not? Can you please confirm, is it clear to all of you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do we take one more example or it is sufficient?
It is sufficient, sir.
Okay. प्रोग्राम, अब प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं। तो प्रोग्राम बनाने के लिए हमें एक नंबर तो चाहिए होगा एज ए इनपुट, क्योंकि उसी को हमें चेक करना है। तो इनपुट इज हियर, अगेन कंट्रोल डेमो, ओके, ए enter number. Now SQ is equal to A into A. I am doing the square. After the square we have to extract. Suppose इसको हम num ले लेते हैं, num means number, and num multiply num. Okay. And square is done. Now we have to extract. For extraction, A is equal to SQ divided by 10 and B is equal to XQ modulus 10. मैं अभी आपको सब explain करूंगा. If A plus B double equal to num, I will explain, don't worry. बीच में एक चीज during the lecture I want to discuss. If you will not do the practice homework, then your programming will be weak day by day. And जैसे जैसे हम आगे जाएंगे, एग्जाम्पल्स और टॉपिक थोड़े थोड़े कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होते जाएंगे, बट ऑल द एग्जाम्पल्स एंड टॉपिक्स विल बी कनेक्टेड टू द प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल्स. तो अगर आपको आज का लेक्चर प्रिपेयर्ड है, देन यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक विच आई विल डिस्कस डे आफ्टर टुमारो और टुमारो. अंडरस्टैंड? सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यू डू द प्रैक्टिस. ये पेपर प्रैक्टिस मांगता है, ठीक है? नॉट नियॉन. अंडरस्टैंड? सिंगल डिजिट की अगर हम बात करें तो 9 हमारा नियॉन है, और इसके अलावा जो नंबर्स हैं वो नियॉन नहीं है. ओके, अब हम इसको टेस्ट कर रहे हैं. टेस्टिंग में कुछ एरर्स आएंगी और आपको बताना है कि वो एरर्स क्या है. क्विक रिप्लाई, मुझे ये भी देखना है कि हु रिप्लाइज फर्स्ट. क्या प्रॉब्लम है इसमें?
We have not initiated SQ.
We have not defined SQ. Each and every variable must be defined. All right. Now, what is the next problem?
Not defined A, sir.
Okay.
Not defined B, sir.
Not defined A and B. Okay. Okay. Now, can you please check? There is no error. Why I am not using the braces after the if? Why? Because inside the if there is a single statement. There is a single statement. When we use the curly braces and when curly braces is not required, very important. If more than one statement in the body of if, then it's compulsory to use the curly braces, all right. ठीक है, मैंने बताया अगर सिंगल स्टेटमेंट है तो आपको कर्ली ब्रेसेस लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. That's why I've not used. Now, 9 is neon or not?
Neon.
Neon number. Eight is neon or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
हम लोग चेक कर लेते हैं यहीं पर. ड्राई रन है, थोड़ा हम अपने हिसाब से भी देखेंगे. 8 का स्क्वायर कितना होगा?
64.
अब इस 6 और 4 को जब हम एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो कितना आएगा भैया?
10.
10.
क्या ये 10 हमारे ओरिजिनल नंबर के बराबर है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's why, the reason behind, that's why it is not neon. All right, done. अब हम इसका ड्राई रन करके आपको दिखा देते हैं. हम इसका ड्राई रन कर लेते हैं. 1 minute please. Because dry run of the program is very very important. तो ड्राई रन पहले हम नियॉन के लिए करते हैं. ठीक है? Please look at the screen, everyone. So in the num, I have taken 9 for checking purpose. And SQ is equal to num into num. So what will be the value of num? What will be the value of num? 9. So 9 into 9, SQ कितना हो जाएगा?
81.
81. अब ये दो स्टेटमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेटमेंट माय डियर स्टूडेंट. सी, यहां पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं? SQ को 10 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं स्लैश ऑपरेटर से और डिवाइड कर रहे हैं मॉड्यूलस ऑपरेटर से. ओके, सो 81 SQ, full concentrate my dear student, full concentrate. And SQ is 81. 81 is dividing by 10. So 10 8s are 80. Understand? तो स्लैश का यूज हम कर रहे हैं तो ए में क्या आएगा? स्लैश प्रोड्यूस द क्वेश्चन so that 8 will be stored in A. Agree or not? भैया agree or not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
modulus operator is used for taking the remainder. So my remainder is 1. That will be stored in B. So what will be the value of B? 1. Understand?
1.
So what I am doing over here, A plus B. A is what? 8. B is what? 1.
1.
And it is comparing with num. What is num? 8 plus 1, 9. क्या 9 9 के बराबर है? 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is equal to 9.
Yes,
Number is
sir.
given. Understand? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think this is sufficient for today's class and the meeting is about to over. You have to do the practice. Practice, make the, I forgot the quotation. Practice make the